Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I am cleaning. Pretty much that is my life right now. It's just a lot of cleaning. I will say every 2 to 3 days what I've been doing is like unpacking and packing and unpacking. So it's been a little crazy, and then I'm also getting some packages in the mail, but pretty much I try to keep the lower level as clean as possible. Let me just say this, when it comes to my cleaning videos, it just so happened that I'm cleaning and I record it, but I don't like just record content to make content. With that being said, yes, I'm probably cleaning an already clean house. Part of that is because I do clean every single day. When I cook, I clean. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm always cleaning. There's always a broom or a vacuum somewhere near me, just because I have 2 kids. And not only do I have 2 kids, but I have 2 boys. They are extremely active. And when I say I have to stay on them, baby, I have to stay on them. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna have like the huge, massive, extreme, dirty house. Nevertheless, however you choose to keep your home, or whoever you like to watch on YouTube, 100% continue watching and supporting those people, but you will not find that over here on this channel. But yeah, but that's pretty much what I'm doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up because you guys are pretty familiar with this, and I'm going to let the music play. I love my non-stick pans. If you guys are wondering, they are from All Clad. I can use stainless steel items on it and it will not scratch the surface to where it peels anything. So I really do love it. What I am doing though is I am putting these All Clad pot protectors in between my pots and pans to keep them together. You don't have to use this, but I really love it because I just like keeping my things in order. So now that I'm done with that, what I'm doing is lighting my candle. I told you guys before, if the house is really dirty, I won't light my candle right away. But if the house is kind of close to getting clean, I'll light my candle. That way, by the time I get done cleaning, the house smells really, really nice. And then I can put the lid back onto the candle and I can continue cleaning. For the countertops, I am using Clorox wipes, and I will be leaving the cleaning products in the description box for you guys, because a lot of the things that I'm using today, I have been asked about them in a previous video, so I hope that you find those products really easy. Currently moving on to the stovetop. I wish I had showed it to you before I wiped it down. It was a little dirty, nothing too crazy, but to clean it, I used Ceramibrite. I absolutely love it. For those of you that are new to my channel, I have been using Ceramibrite for a very, very long time. It has a blade and it also has the sponge that comes with it. This does not scratch the top surface of your cooktop. Again, I have been using this for a really, really long time, and I can tell you it does not scratch the surface at all. I stand by this product. I absolutely love it. I use that and Barkeeper's Friend. That way I can clean it and it comes clean. Even though it wasn't like super dirty, it gets this kind of like discoloration kind of look on there. And again, I like to keep things as clean and organized as possible. But now that I'm done with that, what I'm doing is moving the dining chairs. I have been online looking at dining tables. I did find one. I reached out. Right now they're not delivering, so I didn't even want to place the order for it because they had no set date of when it was going to come. But I am going to try to go back once everything officially opens back up. But the kids have been sitting there. They use one of the chairs to sit on and they use the other chair to eat on, or they'll move the chairs to the island. So there's little like rice and little crumblets and stuff on the seat. So that's pretty much why I was shaking it off. And then I'm picking up the trash. I did not feel like mopping, so I'm not gonna mop today. All I'm doing is really just trying to get the house as neat as possible and keep things up to par. That way it doesn't create like a huge mess. Is taking my baker chairs. They're actually dining chairs, and I'm going to be using them as accent chairs, and I'm going to be putting them in the front room, and I'm going to be pulling out my Bernhardt swivels. Some of you guys think this chair is new. It's not. I am getting ready to record my Container Store haul. Before I sat down, I did put something into the oven. So every night, is it a ooh, you guys, let me not burn myself, honey. All right. Every night is not an amazing dinner night. What I'm doing is some sweet potatoes and some beef sausage hot dogs. I don't know. I didn't even read the package, you guys. I'll show you when I get a chance, but that's pretty much what's for dinner. Here is the packaging right here, and it smells really good. What I'm gonna do is take some peppers and some onions and chop it up and kind of saute it. That way I can have that. And that's pretty much what's gonna be for dinner. I'm not gonna try to go too crazy with anything. You guys, I wanted to put up my lights so bad, but I called my electrician. He'll be here in about a week and a half to put them up in the entry, but I'm really excited to see these go up. All right, you guys, my laundry room is still a work in progress, but I am about to show you guys something that I just picked up from Container Store really quickly. So as you can see, this is what it currently looks like right now. In between the washer and the dryer. Give me a second. All right, you guys, that was super easy. The really great thing is when I get done using it, I can just press these little buttons here and take it down. That way it won't be in the way of anything. Down here, nothing is really screwed. It just looks cute. But in actuality, this right here is what's holding it, which is two really large magnets. I really like this a whole lot. And like I said, it's a drying rack. I know some of you guys are very visual, so I bought backup. Hold on a second. So let's just say I washed something and I needed to dry. You guys, I can just let it sit here and dry. And like I said, I can just press the little small buttons and take the top piece and the bottom piece off and fold it away in the bottom of here, or lay the stick on the side of the machine. That way it's not in the way of the cabinet. And to be honest with you, it's perfect because that middle cabinet right there, all it has in there is storage and overflow for all the household goods. And for the most part, everyone's bathroom is pretty good right now. But I really like it a whole lot. I can either have it facing that way, or I can take it off and put it towards the dryer and let it hang that way. But for those of you guys that were like, oh, do this, I think this is a really great option for me. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. But I just got done recording the Container Store haul. So if you want some more information, at least now you'll have like a visual to the actual haul. I'm really happy about this because this looks so good. This room is gonna be getting together in another week, but the vacuum is supposed to be hung up in the closet, and then my Keurig came in. I have a video on that too. That's gonna go in the attic. I don't want to throw the box away. And then I just got done installing that stuff, which I'm about to clean right now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You guys, I almost forgot to share. My closet is here. It was a huge, crazy, emotional roller coaster day, but it's here. But I will be saving this for the next upload. Hope to see you then. Bye.